Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix time and date settings if you're receiving an error on WhatsApp. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the WhatsApp application where you cannot even sign up and you receive a notification that tells you that your phone time and date settings are messed up, then you can simply fix this by opening up your phone settings, and then by scrolling down, you will be able to find General Management section. If your device has a different kind of setting, then you can use the search box to search for date and time. Now once you find the date and time option, just go ahead and click on it. And now this issue mostly arises if this automatic date and time is turned off. If this feature is turned off, then you will need to set your date and time manually. So if this feature is turned off, then make sure that the set date option is set to the correct date. You can then make sure of that and tap on the done button. In order to avoid manually setting up your time and date, you can just turn on the automatic date and time toggle and also set time zone based on location. Once you turn both of these features on, your WhatsApp application will work just fine, and you will be able to log into your account or sign up to create a new one as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix date and time error on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.